Salty! Yar, Stafford. It's been a while. Right back at you, Salty. Where have you been all these years? Years? I was gone for that long? I thought I was just asleep. That is rather weird. But, I was just taking a nap. Just kidding. I was strolling along throughout Sodor, looking for places to go, see sights, you understand. Yeah, I do. Quick question, what was the craziest thing that happened on your little trip? Yar, it be the most craziest thing I've ever seen. There is a legend of Timothy. Salty, I think the viewers already heard this story plenty of times. No. It's a different legend. The legend he has now. Okay, you mind telling it? If an engine's heart is good, then you say his name 16 times in an almost... Well, have you ever heard the song Evelyn? Yeah, I heard that song. Well, sing it in that kind of tone 16 times while saying Timothy. So yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah, here. Anyway. I did have an encounter with Timothy on my trip. You did? Sure did. You want me to talk about it? Yeah. Sure, then let me take you back. I was just making my way downtown. That's another joke to another song. When I came across this building, it looked like it had been looked at in years. I decided to take a look inside. Here, the adventurous pirate I was. Once I finally made it to the top of the building, I remembered the legend that was supposed to be carried out. Now remember, you say the name 16 times. If you have a good heart, then the good Timothy will show up. First, you will blow your horn or whistle, and then he will appear. He'll grant you... I think he grants you 3 small wishes. So yeah, I said the word 16 times. And the real gamble here is whether or not you are actually a good engine. I don't really know what happens if you're a mean, evil, spirited engine. But I know what happens if you're a good one. Anyway, we heard he. So I said it. I said his name 16 times and blew my horn. It seemed like nothing was gonna happen. I was sure the whole legend was just that. A legend. When... Bop, bop. I'm sorry. What... Was that... Bum, bum. And I couldn't believe it. 'Twas the real Timothy. The actual ghost train was right there in front of me. It was nothing like I have ever felt before. Are ye Timothy, the legendary engine? Yes, I am Timothy. You are... Salty? Yar, that be me name. You're real. I must not lie, I wasn't expecting you. I see. Well, go on. I assume you're here to make your 3 wishes. 3 wishes? Yes. When you make 3 or when you summon me, I grant you 3 small wishes. They're small, but they'll give you happiness. I see. Can I make them now? Of course. After all, no time like the present. I told Timothy the 3 small things I wanted, and he gave them to me the very next day. From then on, I always believed the legends I would tell. And if you, Stafford, want to believe it, then go on. Believe. Whoa. So what happens if you're an evil-hearted engine? I don't know. I'm pretty sure Edward knows that tale. You can go ask him. Okay. Bye, Salty. Bye, Stafford. Hey, Edward, I got a question for you. Sure. What a brave engine he